G'day, it's me again, Adzi. Remember me from the How to Measure video? Now, before you start installing, please watch this.
Hello, my name's Abby and I am a DIY expert. Today I'm going to show you everything you need to do before installing your blinds. Just so you know, you'll need around 10 to 20 minutes for this installation. For large blinds over 2.5 meters, we recommend having a second person to help you. Firstly, you need to make sure that your window, floor and hands are all very clean. Then scan the QR code on your product box, which will take you to the DIY Blinds website. Please make sure all the pieces in front of you match the list on that page. If they do, you're good to go. If not, contact us on 1300 918 390. Now get the following tools ready. You'll need a step ladder, a metal tape measure, a cordless drill with a Phillips head and 3mm drill bit, a pencil, and potentially a stud finder. Before drilling into any surface, there are a few things you need to work out. If you're drilling into wood, you'll need to pre-drill the holes and use the screws provided. If you're drilling into plaster, you have two options. The first option involves using a stud finder to locate where the wall studs are. Your second option is to use Ramset 10mm hollow wall anchors, as these will help secure your blinds brackets to the plaster. You can also fix into concrete, stone, brick or tile as long as you use a masonry drill with the appropriate plugs, anchors and screws. When it comes to deciding which side you want the chain to be on, it's best to remind yourself by looking at your email receipt. Once you're 100% clear about what you need to do, please continue. But if there's anything you're not sure about, give DIY Blinds a call so we can help.
Hello again. Now, as I've said before, I'm a surfing expert, but I'm definitely not a DIY expert, which is why DIY Blinds have asked me to show you how quick and easy it is to install your roller blinds. Conditions are perfect for putting up some roller blinds, so let's get into it. Lift up each bracket into position and mark 2 dots where the screws will attach. For a recess fit like this, it will be in the top corners inside your frame. For a face fit, if you have a window frame, this will be on the top corners outside your frame. And if you have a window with no window frame and are installing a face fit, this will be at least 35mm out from each side of your window, which added to your total width measurement before you ordered your blind. And it will be 70mm above the top of your window, which is roughly the thickness of my favourite board. If you're installing either a face fit blind or a combination blind and you've ordered a pelmet, now's the time to slip your brackets into the pelmet returns because you'll be mounting them together as one piece. Now, it's time to attach your brackets. Drill 2 holes where you mark the dots. Pick up the chain drive bracket and position it on the side of the frame where it will sit. The holes will align with the holes you just drilled. Now, secure the bracket with the screws and then repeat the same process for the pin and bracket. Next, pick up your roller blind and make sure the chain is on the same side as your chain bracket. Check the hood over the chain is at 12 o'clock and the Acmedo logo is at 6 o'clock, which is when my alarm clock goes off every morning. Because you know what they say? The early surfer catches the first wave. Slot the chain end into the chain drive bracket and slot the pin end into the pin end bracket until you hear a click. Now we need to make your blinds grommet safe, or child safe as you non-surfers like to say. Click the P-clip onto the bottom of the chain loop to hold it into position. Mark a dot where the screw will attach the P-clip to the frame. The chain should hang down with minimal tension, just like a surfer in the zone, out in the water. Now, screw the P-clip onto your frame. Right, nearly there now. And when you're done, trust me, you'll be stoked. Adjust where you want your blind to roll down to. Grab your ball stopper and click it onto the very top of the chain, which will stop it rolling any further. If you're installing a pelmet, attach it to one bracket
then use a small amount of force to clip in the other side. Once up, it sits neatly in the pelmet return and your blind rolls up and down easily.
Congratulations, your beautiful roller blinds should now be installed, which means I can now go for a well-deserved surf. See ya.
But if you ever feel like you're in over your head, just give DIY Blinds a call on 1300 918 390.